Hi, so in this project, I actually developed a machine learning-based heart disease diagnostic application called HeartHelper. And as you probably know, heart disease is an umbrella term for several serious and sometimes fatal heart conditions like heart attacks. In first world countries like the United States, Canada, and the UK, heart disease is the leading cause of death and causes billions of dollars in damage every single year. So in my project, I tried to alleviate this problem by developing a reliable and free-to-use web application which diagnoses a patient's risk of getting heart disease. And as shown by this flowchart, the web app takes in 13 variables as patient data, such as age, gender, and cholesterol level. And through a trained machine learning algorithm, it predicts the risk of getting heart disease. And hopefully this prediction is accurate and can help the patient. So to train my machine learning models, I used a dataset provided by the Cleveland Clinic Foundation. I used the scikit-learn library in Python to build and train 6 different machine learning models, including logistic regression, support vector machines, and a Gaussian naive Bayes algorithm. And upon evaluation, the Gaussian algorithm actually achieved the highest diagnostic performance of around 90% accuracy. And to allow for greater user accessibility, as I said before, I hosted and trained this machine learning model on a web application using the Flask web framework library in Python. And I developed the website using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Okay, so right now I'm going to run through a very brief demo of the website, which is already hosted online at hearthelper.pythonanywhere.com. So this is the nice user interface, and it first gives you a brief description about heart disease. So this is the form in which you can enter the data that gets input into the machine learning models. So let's just enter some fake data. And in case you don't know what any of these variables mean, you can look into this table out to the right to see a brief description of what the variables all mean. So using this fake data, let's predict. And the prediction using the data that we just input is low risk for heart disease. But regardless of whether a patient is high risk or low risk, it's still important to take some action to reduce risk in the future. And so this website also provides some very basic and simplistic advice to help prevent risk of heart disease in the future. And that's about it. Thank you.